Welcome to my studio tour. My name is Mel, and I want to show you around the box I live in. Come on in. What do you mean there's no door? Just hop in. It's a box. Just step 1 foot up and then the other. Yes, you fit. It's 21.5 inches by 17 inches. Let me tell you my story. I didn't always live a life of luxury. Less than a year ago, I was just a ball of yarn, living in a bag with other balls of yarn. Once I came to life, I needed a place to stay. And rent is really expensive in this town. I don't know if you've tried to find something reasonable, but it's bad out there. So the first home I found was a shoebox. It was well decorated, but way too small. Then I was really lucky to find this place. I get to live here for free in exchange for doing a few YouTube videos and doing some health advocacy. I can handle that. I have no windows, so the landlord keeps the box open during the day so I can have a bit of light. It's actually quite spacious. This corner here is my music area, big enough to jam with friends if everyone is standing and they're all about the same size as I am. Maybe we can fit 3 people. In front of the piano, we have the fake window, which I love looking out at. And also this beautiful inspirational poster, Laugh, Dream, Enjoy. It's gotten through many, many dark days. Like most apartments you see on house tours, I have a gallery wall. Isn't it gorgeous? And also a television, but no electricity. But it's okay because I do get to catch up on some things when I am taken out of the apartment. The box inside the box is a treasured piece of furniture. I can sit at it to play the piano, and it also doubles as my wardrobe. It's big enough to contain my hoodie, my rock and roll shawl, and also my hospital gown and pants that I wear on my advocacy gigs. Just beyond my box, there's a lovely sofa that I can access during the day as long as the box is open. I can hop over. In the opposite corner, we have a lovely plant and my dog, George. He's a lovely companion to be living in such a small space. Next to that, there is the multi-purpose area, which is where I meditate and also where I sleep. Speaking of sleeping, when the sun goes down, the landlord rings an alarm. And when the alarm goes off, I know it's time for me to put down my piano and anything that might be higher than the box, because I have 5 minutes before he closes the box. And when darkness comes suddenly into my home, I curl up in a fetal position and I cry myself to sleep. Don't be sad, however, because the sleeping and the crying actually reboot my system so that when I wake up, I'm happy and excited for new adventures.